Private equity investing means buying into privately held companies rather than those listed on a stock exchange and which trade freely. They're usually individually negotiated based on private information provided by sellers to buyers. Over time, private equity has performed well, and for good reason. Buyers provide patient capital, allowing time for management teams to improve their companies without the same daily pressures faced by public company CEOs. In fact, over the last 15 years, private equity has outperformed public equities even during economic recessions. And historical data shows private equity outperformance over the public markets actually increases during distress times. We also believe that private equity investments can offer additional diversification benefits. For example, in the US, less than 15% of companies with revenue over 100 million are publicly held, and venture-backed companies are now staying private for longer. This means if you only invest in the public markets, you're missing out on the lion's share of the market, and you're not as diversified as you could or should be. As private equity investments are relatively less liquid than public markets, in general, they should be looked at as a long-term buy and hold strategy, and each investor needs to weigh up their own liquidity needs before investing. For patient investors who understand and accept the liquidity risk, investing in private equity can potentially offer higher returns. And we believe that within private equity, secondary investments, i.e. buying mature private equity funds rather than committing to brand new funds, offer some of the very best risk-adjusted returns while taking a very diversified approach. Up to now, the vast majority of private equity funds have only been accessible to large institutions. But recent innovation has made it easier for individual investors to invest in private equity with lower investment minimums and more liquidity. Early in 2023, we launched Coller's Private Wealth Secondaries Solution, or PWSS, to serve high net worth investors through a combination of better designed products and expert fund management. PWSS will leverage Coller Capital's proven expertise in providing liquidity solutions to private equity owners.